but they shouldn't have been here to commit it in the first place, and you let them in.
But
what's so
also,
hard to understand about that?
people are going to have to get their common sense hat back on once again and really open their eyes. You're saying that people who come here illegally from some of the worst, most criminal nations in the world, like whether it's Somalia, El Salvador, these places, these hellholes where killing is an everyday event over there. You take the poorest of the people of that population, have them come here, enter our country, no security, social security, no nest egg, no rich Uncle Lou who's an attorney or anything, and just sort of walk around trying to find work, although they can't find legitimate work because they don't have paperwork.